This is my grandparent. I am at my grandparents' house, and this is their heat pump, and it's a 1997 Lennox Elite Series unit. That is freezing cold air. And yes, it is dirty, but actually last year I got this, so I actually came out here and cleaned it all up, but now it's all dirty again. 17 years old. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely heat pump unit. Ow. And if I just go back here, you can hear the compressor really well. And I think that's condensation. I don't know, who cares? Or maybe it's frost. It has an 825 RPM fan motor. And yes, this thing does look like an optical illusion on the camera, sort of, but it's actually spinning really, really, really fast. But this is not what it looks like as I'm looking at it. This is what the fan looks like on camera. I can feel the air coming up from all the way up here and so on. Back when I was young, I thought this was just an air conditioner, but in 2012 I found out it was a heat pump. So yes, I wish that it was a Carrier or another Bryant. But this thing's 1997, so my AC unit is 2002. I thought I heard something screech, like a school bus or something. Model number is HP26-042-7P, serial 5897D29048. Listed section of heat pump. Yep, it's hidden. I wish that these bushes would be trimmed. Excuse me. Anyway, I better get going now.